Are you feeling tired or run down? You might need NAD+. This incredible molecule plays a critical role in our bodies. But what exactly is NAD+? NAD+ stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. It is a coenzyme found in every cell. Its primary job is to help produce energy. It's also vital for DNA repair and cell health. Let's break this down step by step. First, NAD+ helps convert food into energy. It does this by turning food into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Next, NAD+ supports metabolic reactions. It helps in breaking down fat and carbohydrates. This is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, NAD+ has a role in DNA repair. It aids in fixing damaged DNA. This is crucial for preventing diseases like cancer. Lastly, NAD+ helps regulate sleep and mood. It influences circadian rhythms. This means it helps you feel awake during the day and sleepy at night. Imagine NAD+ as a battery charger for your body. Without it, your energy levels drop. Let's take an example. Athletes often have higher NAD+ levels. They experience more stamina and faster recovery times. This shows the importance of NAD+ in energy production. In summary, NAD+ is vital for energy, metabolism, DNA repair, and mood regulation. It influences many aspects of our health and performance. Are you ready to boost your NAD+ levels? Consider dietary sources like chicken, fish, and green vegetables. You can also explore supplements. Take action toward better health today.